na dark horse ng APEC CEO Forum ang Pilipinas sa larangan ng ekonomiya dahil sa pag-aakalang hihina ang resolba ng gobyerno sa pagsulong ng tamang pamamalakad at pagwaksi ng katiwalian sa bansa. Para sa detalye, balitaan mo kami, Elena Luna.
Unang araw pa lamang sa APEC Summit ni Pangulong Aquino, humarap na siya sa daan-daang mga negosyante na dumadalo sa APEC CEO Summit. Sa survey mula sa grupong ito, lumabas na pang-apat ang Pilipinas sa tinawag nilang dark horse pagdating sa growth and investment potential.
The reason why dark horse, Joyce, is because the expectation at the beginning was not so great. And I think to a large extent the president has exceeded the expectations, not just of our citizens but also of the international community. Hence the term, I think, dark horse. But I think as expectations increase for the Philippines, we will be considered less of a dark horse moving forward.
Sa survey ng mga CEOs, nangunguna ang host country ng APEC Indonesia. Kasunod nito ang Myanmar at China. Sumusunod naman sa Pilipinas ang Vietnam.
I think what happened to us in terms of the perception of the international community was people in the beginning weren't paying too much attention to the Philippines. And, President Aquino came in promising reform, but the international community had heard that before, so they probably came in with a little bit of skepticism. But they noticed that after 2 years, those reforms, the promises, were actually being fulfilled, and they suddenly stood up and took notice. Hey, this guy in the Philippines who promised reform 2 years ago was actually serious and he's actually succeeding in these reforms.
Sa pagharap ni Pangulong Aquino sa mga CEOs, ibinahagi niya na kabilang sa reforma ng Administrasyong Aquino ang pagsulong ng mga programa para sa kalusugan, edukasyon at trabaho.
I'm very proud that people think that the Philippines has a lot of potential. We should all be working together to fulfill that potential.
Ang survey ay ginawa sa may 500 mga business leaders na dumalo sa summit.